The cold hard truth is that 99% of retail traders lose money because they chase price and lack a genuine edge. Think about that for a second. 99% are failing. But what if you could stop chasing bad trades and start seeing the high probability moves in the crypto market before they happen, using an AI tool that literally scans the market history for repeatable, profitable patterns? This is the ultimate blueprint to an AI trading tool that gives you the crystal ball, changing your market approach forever. Now get ready, because this is not about hope. This is about statistical proof. Listen up. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Nick Anderson, founder of Bull Runners and Altcoin Pro. This is my AI video agent, but it's my real voice and my research behind every video that you watch. I use AI to make higher quality content so my team and I can focus on helping serious investors secure, grow, and scale their portfolios into stress-free passive income. If you want to talk with a live expert from my company at any point to grow your portfolio, then you can apply for a strategy call using the link in the description of this video. Let's run it. The biggest enemy in trading is not the market. It's the person in the mirror. It's the fear of missing out, the FOMO, and the emotional decisions that inevitably follow. This is the discipline deficit that destroys capital for almost every retail trader. You react to the price instead of proactively anticipating it. But here's the foundational secret the pros understand. Human psychology remains utterly consistent. And because human psychology is consistent, the resulting price patterns it leaves behind, they must repeat. And identifying these repeatable patterns is the only consistent evidence-based edge that you will ever find in trading. Think of it like using a fingerprint analogy. Just as every person leaves unique yet predictable fingerprints, price action leaves behavioral prints that repeat across time and assets. And trying to find these yourselves manually would take weeks, months, maybe even a lifetime to finally figure it out. But the Forecaster AI tool scans these behavioral prints instantly, bypassing that manual research that gives you back the only thing that you can't buy, your time. And you need to stop trading emotionally and start trading with statistical confidence. So how does this AI actually deliver that edge? Well, it acts like a financial time machine, a historical detective with a perfect memory. So when you click the link in the description below and create your account, you click on search to get started, and it's going to show you everything from the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, gold, crude oil, Meta, Nvidia, even Bitcoin. So if I click on Bitcoin here, I can see the overview, the seasonality, the projection, whether it's overbought, oversold, a COT report, and news, plus the Forecaster AI agent. And what this tool does is it takes the current price action, specifically the last 3 months of data, as its input pattern, and this is called the clue. It then scans the complete historical record of the selected asset, whether that's the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, gold futures, stocks like Facebook, and yes, even altcoins like XRP. It then instantly matches the recent clue to all the historical quote-unquote crime scenes, which are all the identical periods in the past where the market behaved the same way. Its output is a simple projection of the most probable outcome, calculated by averaging the forward movement of all those historical matches. And this process is not speculation, it's high probability statistical analysis. And you can even see what's happening here for Bitcoin, for example. And it gives you a summary of the Bitcoin news with recent price movements, positive developments, different challenges and concerns, and even a conclusion. That way you can transform your trading from hopeful guessing into high confidence predictions. And let's look at the power of this tool analyzing a major market like the S&P 500. The Forecaster is immediately pulling up a list of historical identical patterns that it's found underneath the Seasonality tab. It shows the current year in red, the last 5 years in blue, and the past 25 years in brown. And it shows us exactly what happened after that identical price action in the past. Now, if you look closely right here to this green vertical line, you can see both on the 5-year and the 25-year seasonality, it shows an initial small dip followed by an upward movement going into the end of the year. And we can even take the prediction much further by simply going over to the projection tab at the top, and it'll show us the most correlated event, the average long and the average short, over the next 3 months. So you can see these different projections here. And it's showing this projection has a 71% probability that the S&P 500 is going to be bullish leading into March of 2026. Now, obviously it's not 100%, so this is not financial advice here. Think of using this tool like a weather forecast analogy. It isn't a guarantee of sunshine or rain here, but it's a high probability forecast. Because if 6 out of 7 historical quote-unquote winters followed this dip with a strong 3-month rally, you have a high confidence forecast to base your trade on. This tool even details the exact projected statistics, the max return, the probability percentage, and the duration of the forecasted move. So you now have a data-backed plan, not just a hope or a feeling here. But how do you separate a good forecast from a great trade-worthy one? Well, you need a filter, and that's the critical 5-point robustness score. This score is the ultimate filter for high confidence trades. It validates the strength and quality of the projection. So think of the courtroom jury analogy, where the robustness score is the final verdict from the jury of historical data. And all 5 criteria must be ticked for a guilty verdict, a strong projection that you can actually trade. So the first thing that it looks for is a strong likelihood. This requires at least 70% of historical cases to follow the dominant bullish or bearish scenario. Anything less isn't worth your capital. Second is a significant move. The outcomes must end outside the range of the initial 3-month pattern. We're looking for meaningful profit potential, not just noise. Third is the aligned match. The single best historical match found must agree with the most probable scenario. This ensures your best example isn't contradicting the overall average. And then fourth is the path consistency. At least 70% of the historical outcomes must follow the same internal path. For example, dipping low first, then surging to a new high. And does the best match follow the same path? Is the price path of the top historical case similar to the average structure of the dominant scenario? So the robustness score is the why behind the forecast. It's your confidence booster. It's the metric that transforms predictions into powerful trading strategies. And if we move on to the overbought and the oversold tab, it'll tell us whether we're oversold and everyone's panic selling, whether we're neutral, or whether we're overbought and everyone is in the fear of missing out or greed stage. So right now you can see we're in neutral, showing the market is relatively stable. Now, obviously that could change within the next week, but you can even check the market move meter. And underneath the ranking tab, you can check whether it's overvalued or undervalued of the index in percentages. So it's calculated by doing a weighted average of all the components of the index. And then if you scroll down here, you can see the different stocks in order from their market cap, their price, their fair value, the Z score, F score, M score, and value generation. And then you can open them up in new tabs and you can look at them individually. But even with a predictive edge this powerful, using an AI, you must always be risk managed first, obviously. Predictive trading is about maximizing your potential while minimizing the damage from inevitable market uncertainty and black swan events. And that's why we believe protecting your initial capital is more important than chasing huge, unsustainable gains. And it's all about having a sustainable professional framework here. So if you're serious about protecting your capital and finally achieving consistent returns with a proven framework, then make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. And if you want to book a call with our team, I'll leave a link in the description below, not only for this AI trading bot here, but also to a free training where you can learn how the top 1% of investors secure, grow, and scale their portfolios without losing sleep over hacks, scams, or volatility. And you can apply today for a call with our team to give you the best strategy for your portfolio based on current market conditions. Now let's show the utility of this tool and talk about its risk management. We're going to apply this to a Forex pair like the Australian dollar to the US dollar. And if we click on the projection tab here, you can see the forecaster highlights a 1 out of 5 robustness score, showing that the projection is weak. So think of this like a traffic light here. A 5 out of 5 on the projection is a red light warning, a strong signal, and it's a high confidence signal to either stay out of a long trade entirely or to actively seek a short position. So because the robustness score is a 1 out of 5, this affects the probability of it being 50-50. So in this case, you just wouldn't take the trade right here. So if I look at the euro to the US dollar, you can see the robustness score is a 5 out of 5, showing an 83% probability with a strong projection of a bullish move here into February and March of 2026. Because if we look at the correlated past events here, you can see the past bullish cases, the performance, the maximum drop, and then the maximum percentage rise. So this tool is not just identifying high probability reward setups, it's also identifying catastrophic high probability risk. This means you can protect yourself before the market moves against you. So you can use this AI tool as a guide here, but never rely on it as one single data point. Professional traders add layers of confirmation here. So this is where seasonality comes into play. So if we're looking at gold futures here and we click on the seasonality tab, think of this like your co-pilot, where the AI projection is the pilot, the primary decision maker, and seasonality is the co-pilot, the second check that adds ironclad confidence to your flight plan. So the seasonality shows you historical probabilities of upward or downward movements over the past 5 years or the past 25 years for an asset during specific calendar months. So the AI projection here on gold is weak because the robustness score is a 2 out of 5, showing a 57% probability and a 43% probability, leading more towards a bearish move. And if we take a look at Bitcoin here, You can see the robustness score is a 2 out of 5, but the projection is moderate, showing bullish. So if gold is showing bearish and Bitcoin is showing bullish, although the projection is not extremely strong due to the robustness, this could potentially signal a rotation from some precious metals over to crypto again. So just use this as one data point, not as a conclusive decision maker here. And for contextual proof of this power, think back to the 2008 financial crisis. The collapse perfectly aligned with the historically weak September and October period, so seasonality is real. And combining AI projections and seasonality creates an ironclad protocol that is almost impossible to beat. Now, trading one asset at a time is slow and it's inefficient. You need to scale your operation here. So that brings me to the quantum screener. This allows you to search for the best, highest probability setups across the entire market in seconds. Where instead of fishing with a single rod, checking one asset at a time, the quantum screener is a wide, powerful net where it instantly pulls in the best, highest robustness setups across all markets for you. And the screener allows you to filter by projection status, which is best to worst, even all instruments here, and commodities, cryptocurrencies, Forex, indexes, you name it. So if we look at cryptocurrencies here, you can see a wide variety of different altcoins, and you can sort based on long or short. And this is going to dramatically reduce your analysis time from weeks of charting to a mere minutes to figure out which assets have performed the worst and the best over the past few years. So for example, if we look at XMR here, this is given a direction of long with a 60% win rate, an average return of 61% with 85% correlation here over the past 10 years. And you can click on the asset here and get the overview, the seasonality, the projection, whether it's overbought or oversold, and any news that the company might have on a specific asset. So your job here is to no longer find the pattern. The AI handles the pattern recognition instantly. And your job is to apply your professional discipline to the powerful signals that it provides here. Now you can also see seasonal favorites, create your watch list, have a calendar, COT reports, rankings, a US government tracker, macro cap, and even an AI agent here that shows you what's going on around the world from different macro news in the Forex markets and the stock market. And you can get executive summaries on things like economic cycles, leading growing economies. So that way you can stop just swinging blindly at the market trying to hit a home run. You're now performing surgery with a pre-validated protocol here. You know the high probability entry and exit points before you ever commit any capital. You've replaced emotional decision-making with statistical analysis and historical proof that is the foundation of every serious professional trader. And this AI trading tool does the hardest, most tedious part of trading, that's pattern recognition, instantly. So your only job now is to apply a consistent, rules-based entry and exit plan to these high-confidence signals. And this will turn you from an amateur to a serious, disciplined market operator. Now, if you want to learn the top divergence trading strategy that I've been teaching our private clients on coaching calls inside of our private community, you can check that out through the link in the description below this video. And I'll show you exactly how you can not only leverage AI tools like this, but read the markets like a professional to spot these bullish and bearish divergences, to understand the highest probable outcome for the market to go long or short by identifying the trends, spotting key support and resistance levels, different candlestick reversal patterns. So that way you can better understand the battle between the bulls and the bears and the most likely scenarios to happen next based on how these candles open and close. So I'll leave a link in the description below. I also made a video on the channel that you guys can check out after this one right now. And if you're ready for your portfolio to start working for you, then book your one-on-one call with our team using the first link below this video right now. And check out the AI trading tool below that we just covered in this video. Let me know if you like it. I read every single comment. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are purely for educational, informational purposes only. So I'm not guaranteeing any profit from the strategies or information mentioned here. Investing in crypto, stocks, or any financial asset always involves risk, and you can lose all of your capital. So always consult a licensed professional before making any investment decisions because results aren't typical. So don't be typical. I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you at the top, and you know what to do. Stay bullish.